first one. Second one, that's off. All right, alternate status source. That's pushed in, that's good. Fuel selector valve both. This is for the fuel tanks and the wings, so they're gonna be drawing from both tanks, not just one. Okay, where we at? Okay. Well, okay, so fuel shuttle valve on. That's pushed in, it's on. Flaps down. Coming down. Alright, down full. Alright, exterior cockpit lights on. So I'll check them all on. Landing light, taxi, nav, strobe, and then check the pedal heat, turn that on. Let's go back outside here and check if everything's working here. Take that off. Alright, come over here. Alright, that's working. Alright, strobe low. Beacons on, that's working. The lights on. Alright, position lights on, everything's working here. Check the pedal heat. That's hot. Alright, that's working. Turn that off. Alright, landing light, taxi light, strobe off. Pedal off. Alright, battery master switch off. Check the fuel gauge, I ain't checked that. Fuel gauges are good, at least 20 gallons on the right side, about 18 on the left. Alright, turn that off. And now, check everything else.